From novice to narrative pro, unleash your writing skills online. In this chapter, we will explore the exciting world of online writing jobs for beginners. If you have a passion for writing and are looking to earn some money from it, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. Online writing jobs offer flexibility, a wide range of topics to write about, and the chance to work from anywhere with an internet connection. To get started in online writing jobs, you don't need any previous experience or qualifications. All you need is a good command of the English language, basic grammar skills, and a willingness to learn. Many platforms and websites provide opportunities for beginners to showcase their talent and start earning. These jobs can include content writing, blog writing, article writing, copywriting, and more. As a beginner, you might start with lower-paying gigs, but as you gain experience and build your portfolio, better-paying opportunities will come your way. Take a 1-minute quiz and subscribe to our mailing list for updates and exclusives via the link in the description.